Hello, fellow travelers. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or just dreaming of your next adventure, I'm glad you're here. Today, we're stepping into Heidelberg, Germany, a city that feels straight out of a storybook, where every view looks like it's been painted by an artist's hand. Nestled along the winding Neckar River, Heidelberg is famous for its romantic charm, breathtaking scenery, and hundreds of years of fascinating history. With Germany's oldest university and a majestic castle perched above the town, every corner here tells a tale of scholars, poets, and dreamers who walked these streets before us. Our journey today is simple yet magical, a walking tour through the heart of Heidelberg's Old Town, or Altstadt, where history and daily life blend seamlessly. We'll wander cobblestone streets that have echoed with footsteps for centuries, admire beautifully preserved buildings, and soak in the city's lively, welcoming atmosphere. This isn't just sightseeing. It's about experiencing Heidelberg with all your senses. Feel the cool stone walls, listen to the laughter in bustling cafes, and savor the aroma of fresh pastries drifting from bakeries. Picture yourself here on a crisp February morning, golden sunlight lighting up red-tiled roofs, the air fresh and full of promise as the city slowly awakens. Heidelberg's strength and beauty have inspired poets, thinkers, and travelers for generations. It's a place where creativity and reflection seem to come naturally. As we walk, we become temporary locals, connecting with the city's soul and sharing in the rhythms of daily life, even if just for a little while. We'll follow in the footsteps of students, professors, and even Mark Twain, who once marveled at these same views and found inspiration in Heidelberg's timeless beauty. This journey is about more than just famous places. It's about feeling the connection between the past and now, where old traditions and new stories meet on every street. By the end, I hope you'll feel you've truly experienced Heidelberg, not just seen it, carrying a piece of its magic with you wherever you go. So, lace up your walking shoes and bring your curiosity. Let's begin our adventure into this gem of German history, ready to discover its secrets together. Let's step into this living postcard and see what wonders await around every corner, from hidden courtyards to breathtaking vistas. Our fairy tale walk starts now. Let's make some unforgettable memories in Heidelberg. Our walk begins on the Hauptstraße, Heidelberg's busy main street, where the city's energy is immediately felt. This vibrant thoroughfare is the beating heart of Heidelberg, drawing both locals and visitors alike. Stretching for over a mile, it's one of Europe's longest walking-only areas, making it perfect for a leisurely stroll without the interruption of traffic. Here, centuries-old buildings house modern shops, cozy cafes, and unique boutiques, a lively mix of old and new that gives the street its special character. The air is filled with the aroma of fresh coffee and baked goods, inviting you to pause and take it all in. The architecture is captivating. Pastel colors, timbered frames, and ornate details line the street, each building telling its own story from Heidelberg's rich past. Hauptstraße is more than a shopping street. It's an open-air museum, alive with stories and memories. Every corner offers a new perspective, and every facade invites admiration. Venture into the narrow Gassen, side alleys where hidden courtyards and cozy taverns await discovery. These winding paths are perfect for those who love to explore off the beaten track. Getting lost here is part of the magic, revealing Heidelberg's true charm and the warmth of its welcoming atmosphere. Our path leads us to the Marktplatz, the city's historic market square, where centuries of history come together in a lively gathering place. The Church of the Holy Spirit stands tall in the square, surrounded by bustling cafes, colorful market stalls, and the hum of daily life. This is Heidelberg's social and historical heart, where the city's pulse is felt strongest and where locals and travelers come together. Let's soak in the vibrant life of the Old Town, where every moment is filled with music, laughter, and the timeless spirit of Heidelberg. From the bustling Marktplatz, our eyes are drawn upward, following the gentle curve of the old town's rooftops as they lead us towards something truly extraordinary. There, perched high on the lush green slopes of Königstuhl Hill, stands the majestic Heidelberg Castle, an icon that has watched over the city for centuries. We make our way up, either by the charming funicular railway or along winding footpaths, each step filled with anticipation and a sense of adventure. As we arrive, the castle's romantic ruins and magnificent Renaissance architecture greet us, whispering stories of princes, poets, and grand celebrations that once filled these ancient halls. Though scarred by war and the passage of time, the castle's weathered stones still radiate a timeless beauty, standing as a testament to resilience and history. Inside, visitors marvel at the enormous Great Barrel, a feat of engineering and a symbol of the castle's festive past. The fascinating Pharmacy Museum, with its collection of rare artifacts and antique bottles, offers a glimpse into centuries of medical history. Yet perhaps the greatest treasure is found outside, on the castle terrace, where breathtaking views unfold across the red rooftops of the old town, the winding Neckar River, and the graceful arches of the famous Old Bridge. Standing here, you can almost feel the weight of history and the creative inspiration that has drawn artists, writers, and dreamers to this very spot for generations. It's a moment of awe, reflection, and a deep connection to the enduring spirit of Heidelberg. Coming down from the castle, we reach the Old Bridge, Heidelberg's beloved stone bridge across the Neckar. Passing through the medieval Brückentor gate, we are greeted by the playful bronze monkey statue. Touch it for good luck or a promise to return. Pause halfway for perfect views of the castle and Old Town, just like on a postcard. On the other side, the Philosophenweg, or Philosopher's Walk, winds up the hillside. Professors once strolled here, inspired by the city's beauty and peacefulness. The elevated path offers wide views, a perfect spot to think about our journey. Heidelberg's magic is never more clear than from this spot. Heidelberg's stones tell stories. Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles mix across the city. The Hotel Zum Ritter, a Renaissance gem, survived hundreds of years of trouble. Much of the old town's harmonious look comes from Baroque rebuilding after the 9 Years' War. The city's spirit is shaped by its university, founded in 1386, and the lively student culture that continues today. The student prison, covered in graffiti, shows a playful side of school life. Heidelberg also remembers its darker times, with memorials honoring those lost during the Nazi era. Understanding both good times and sad times makes us appreciate this strong city even more. Heidelberg's true heartbeat is found in its cafes and daily life. Pause for a Milchkaffee and apple strudel, watching students and locals pass by. Friendly shopkeepers share stories and local treats, like the Students' Kiss chocolate. Street musicians and artists add color to every corner. Small details, a carved door, a hidden garden, make each step a discovery. Brief meetings with locals turn us from watchers into participants. These moments and connections are what make Heidelberg unforgettable. The city's warmth stays with you long after you leave. As the sun sets over the Neckar, Heidelberg's magic settles in. We've walked through history, beauty, and the welcoming spirit of this city. Heidelberg is more than a place. It's a feeling of wonder, discovery, and connection. The memories we've made are emotions to carry with us. I hope this walk brought a piece of Heidelberg to you, wherever you are. Thank you for joining me. Until our next adventure, keep exploring and let your spirit wander. Happy travels.